direct research. I believe that it's very important because help us to develop that scientist everybody has inside.
All you have to say is the Amazon.
The Amazon contains the greatest plurality of animal species in the world. It's almost like the epitome for the study of ecological interactions.
The opportunity of coming to Peru, it was like stepping into my daydreams.
Walking under the canopy of the Amazon never gets old.
I think my favorite part of the program has been getting to see things in the classroom and then immediately see them applied outside of the classroom.
It's not like being in your class at your university. You are sitting in a classroom listening to your professor talk about a type of bird, and then you look outside and that bird is flying by.
This program really emphasizes that everything is connected to everything else, and so it's not just like looking at this one place, but you're doing field work here. Okay, now we're going to do field work in the source of this river.
There's a lot of value in the conservation of the Amazon. Being here, in touch with many of these things that are happening, talking with the people, ask questions, go to collect data, do the analysis, and also sharing that with a group of students that are also learning. Those are unique experiences that will remain with them for the entire career, for the entire rest of their life.